beautiful Sunday at Bay Hill Club and Lodge for the final round of the Arnold Palmer Invitational presented by Mastercard. Henrik Stenson, looking like the man to beat, came into Sunday in control and having some early success. Tiger Woods, he knew he would have to make a run to try and reel in Henrik. The birdie at 10, and Woods getting to within 4 shots. Rory McIlroy looking for birdie at the 9th, and this would be his 3rd on the front side, so he would move out in a positive way. Tiger Woods working the 12th. This up the hill, trying to get to that back flag at the par 5, and he would make the birdie from there, moving to 11 under par. Now at 13, Woods from 13 feet, moving to 12 under, and suddenly within striking distance as Woods was just 1 back. Justin Rose, 11 under, as he looks for birdie at the par 5 12th, hooks it in, and Rose getting to 12 under par right alongside Tiger. McIlroy at 13, edge of the green into the cup, and he moves to 14 under, and McIlroy on a roll. Birdies at 13, and now this one at 14 from 21 feet away at the difficult par 3, and he was starting to set sail on the field, but here comes Bryson DeChambeau at the 13th, and that one with the flagstick in, he makes it to move to 14 under, so he's just 1 back. McIlroy not done though. A pair of birdies at 13 and 14 make it 3 in a row as he holes out from off the green at 15, and Rory to the top of the leaderboard. Woods had a chance, but a couple of lost shots. It wasn't to be, but he does finish with a par at 18 and a 10 under score at a place he's won 8 times. DeChambeau at 16. This for eagle at the par 5. Looked like it would never get there, and it falls in for an eagle 3. And suddenly, DeChambeau within a shot. But Rory McIlroy at 18, above the hole 24 feet after a great approach, and he'll birdie 18 for the weekend as he finishes off an 8 under 64 and an 18 under winning score, a 3-shot victory for Rory's 14th on the PGA Tour. Be sure and tune in for Wednesday's action with the World Golf Championships Dell Technologies Match Play.